Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to pay with Revolut on SHEIN. So for you to be able to pay with Revolut on SHEIN, open the SHEIN app or visit the SHEIN website, then add the items you want to your shopping bag, then go to the checkout. So make sure you add your shipping address together with your delivery details, very important. Then on the payment page, choose credit/debit card, then open your Revolut app and check your Revolut card details, which include the card number, the card expiration date, and the card CVV with the billing address. Then enter those details into your SHEIN payment page, confirm and place your order, then approve the payment in your Revolut app if authentication is required. Then from there you will get order confirmation from SHEIN and payment confirmation from Revolut. And listen to these tips, which is very important. You can also generate Revolut virtual card inside the app and use it for safer online shopping on SHEIN. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more steps and guide.